All right, let's get your next sketchbook all set up. So you should have given me already turned in your old sketchbook. I remembered to collect them from 7th hour, but I forgot to collect them from 1st hour. So you will need to take out the old sketchbooks and get them ready, pass them over to your number one at your table, just make a tidy pile, and they can be collected for you. But for after that's all done, you should get your new sketchbook fresh and ready to adjust. You can set up your sketchbook with a pen, or you're welcome to use a pencil for this if you feel more comfortable. So your first page, we're going to start with, make sure your name is on the lower right hand corner of the front page. It opens just like a book. And we're going to go ahead and set up a bellwork page just like we did before. So take your ruler, and a little ways from the top, you're going to draw a line, and then go down a little bit and draw another line, and then take your ruler to the side and do that so it looks like a little chart. So up at the top you'll write bellwork, over here to the left is for the date, and then to the right is the response. Okay, so that's your first page. The next page we need to set up in the exact same way, except it's for terms. So we have some more terms to be getting on with this next project, and I'm sure the one after that as well. So go ahead, and I'm just using the see-throughness of the other page to see where to line up my ruler. And I will draw my line like this, the same way, and then a little ways over, make my chart. And we will have terms. And we'll have term, and then definition. Just like that. Okay, and then after that we're going to have a couple of different pages where you're going to need to have for some notes for your project. So over here, lining up the ruler again. This is your high contrast acrylic painting. Notes. And this is where you will put some notes just specifically about your high contrast acrylic painting project and the requirements and various things that I talked to you about while you're working on it as well. And then on the next page, just right through here, this is where you're going to glue in your paint practices when you're done. So we'll have paint practices. All right, so that was your new sketchbook set up. So make sure that you get this all finished before you start your practices for this project. Thanks, y'all.